All right, KMR Rotary, welcome back to the channel. We're talking triangles, we're talking that BRAP. Let's jump into it. So, fortunate enough to see a lot of what MAZDSA has coming through, new parts, services, and a lot of interesting projects always coming through the KMR Shop. So, with that said, a nice thank you to MAZDSA. They had a brand new rotor come in from Japan. It's in for side clearancing, balancing, basic race service. But as they were working on it, they noticed that there was a significant change in the pocket shape. And they brought that to my attention. I said, hey, that's cool. Let's do a video. So if you need parts, if you have questions, hit up MAZDSA. Thank you, MAZDSA. And then let's jump into talking about what we're looking at here. So this is a Series 5 high compression rotor. And for basically all of rotary eternity, the pockets have been very distinct. Very oval. They've always had vertical machine marks, which were very distinct. And give or take a little bit of this chamfered nuance, depending on, the pair of rotors you were looking at. But basically, if you looked at a Series 5 rotor, you could know it was a Series 5 rotor. FD3S, a little later model, being a little more squared up, and previous generations being a cast pocket, so non-machined. And that even goes through the couple different generations of rotors that Mazda has made. When you talk about Mazda rotor manufacturing, they actually have changed manufacturing once before, but the pocket shape stayed the same and the general rotor stayed the same. It just was I think minor manufacturer changes. This is the first time, we're really seeing a drastic change to the look of the rotor. And so what we have is a pocket that has a much more angular and defined pocket, and it lacks that vertical machine mark structure. It's still very distinct. If I saw this rotor, I would now know very much where this lands in the world of rotors. And it also has a little bit of a machine mark pattern on the face that's distinct to these later generation of rotors. Now, overall, I don't think we're seeing anything that's going to affect us. We're not going to make more horsepower. We're not going to make less horsepower. Compression has not changed. Mazda's pretty smart. But it does look like they've changed their machining and manufacturing to some degree. And that does bring in questions like, has anything else changed? Metallurgy, price. It seems to continue to go up. That's unfortunate. One of the other things that we did notice is that when you're looking at rotors, generally their balancing marks are oval, and now they've gone to a larger machined out pocket within their balancing. And my understanding is this balancing has always been in regards to pairing up rotors, not to balancing the rotor itself. And I think a lot of people ask about that. Is Mazda balancing tip to tip? My understanding is not really. They're looking at matching rotor sets up and shelf life, things like that. All right, so there you have it. If you look, again, you can see traditional rotors, very circular balancing marks, new rotors, pretty much a large machined pocket, your traditional pockets for compression, at least with Series 5 and later, always having vertical machine marks and very distinct pocket shape. And now we've got a little bit of a new character to the triangle family. It'll be interesting to see what other rotors look like, when we get some FD rotors in, maybe we get some Series 4 rotors in. My assumption is Mazda's probably going to lean towards all of the rotors having more of a distinct look like this. Being that the weights are similar, pocket compression similar. I think they've just invested in new machining tools, new machining processes, and probably in an investment to keep the rotary production going, which I think is good. If we didn't see this type of evolution, we might be more scared. Those machines might, eventually become obsolete. At this point, it looks like we've got some new stuff cooking. So thank you, Mazda. Thank you, MAZDSA. I'm going to wrap it up there. I think that's a BRAP. Just so you know, new rotors coming in from Japan. They look a little different. They work the same. Thanks for watching. KMR. I'm out.